Welcome to Crypto Coins, where we review the best coins for you. How's it going, my friends? Welcome back to Crypto Coins. My name is Freddie Colton, and today we're going to be discussing a very cool exchange that I've come across, Matrix Port. But of course, before we jump into the meat and potatoes of this one, please do keep in mind this is not financial advice. I am in no way a financial advisor, purely just a crypto geek who loves to discuss these kind of projects. So with that being said, let us jump into it. Now, this one is really cool, so earn interest should be easy. Welcome offer, want to start earning? Register now for 30% annualized fixed income, which is really nice. Why earn with them? Well, savings and DeFi, decentralized finance, help select high-quality DeFi projects and streamline liquidity mining into one easy quick with Smart Pool, all of this cool stuff with the, showing you a little bit about the app, what you can earn back here as well, dependent on what you are investing in coin-wise. Flexi savings, so up to 6% APY, which is annual per year yield. It's annual yield, we'll just say that. And basically there's a nice little Q&A section here, and the thing about this one, of course, it is a trading platform, so we're going to kind of go over this. It's going to be a little bit different than some of my other videos, so do try to keep along with some of this, but I completely understand that it's a lot. This is a lot on this episode, I'll tell you that. So we're going to go through their social media here real quick. So about 13,000 over here on Twitter. Matrix Port is Asia's one-stop digital asset financial service platform. User can invest, trade, and leverage crypto assets. Download the app right there. You can see they joined May of 2019, by the way, so this project has been in the works for quite a few years at this point. As you can see, they're already up and running. You can actually sign up and sign in if you are interested in this. I do personally have an account, but I do not like to sign in on video just in case you guys can figure something out. It's wild what you can all do. Matrix Port Group English, so this is their Telegram. And you can see they also have different telegrams if you do happen to speak a different language for these other things, but this is the English-speaking telegram. Keep them pretty busy, to be honest with you. It's fairly early in the morning, though, my way, in the States in general, so it's probably not going to be as busy, honestly. I'm on the East Coast, so for me it goes back. So everyone in the United States, it is very, very early for them. So you still see about 400 English speakers on there, though, which is a really good number for as early as it is at the moment. They're doing real well here on Facebook as well, with about 3,000 followers, which I would love to have on Facebook. Facebook's tough to get some followership on, man. This is what really impressed me. Look at all of their followers right here as a service on LinkedIn. Now, that is really cool. LinkedIn is the kind of place that it tells me a lot about how legitimate a company is based on their LinkedIn following, because there's no faking a LinkedIn following. LinkedIn is really tough to get an account on. There's no robots on LinkedIn. That's just how it is. You have to put too much information. So that shows quite a lot. Now, that being said, maybe someone can bot on LinkedIn technically, but we're not going into technical. We're talking in the grand scheme of things. It's just not happening. Now, what I love about this, too, is that you can tell they're building up their followership naturally, right? They don't just boost their numbers. Twitter's been around longer, so it's much bigger for the platform with a lot of people use it. But we can see their Instagram is a little bit newer, and they're still building themselves up with 826. But again, look, there's nothing shameful about that, right? Anyone who grew any size audience always had 826 if it's above that, right? So, that being said, I respect that they are not trying to play any games here on that. What's really interesting, they're getting a lot of talk over on Reddit, which is super cool to see. Just clicking through their Discord, actually, this one seems a little bit newer as well, by the way, but you can go through the voice chat, which I think is cool. They do voice chats, general, and I was checking this out yesterday, actually. It seems pretty active during the day. Again, I'm shooting this very early on, so give them the benefit of the doubt that there's no one awake in America at this time. I try to get up fairly early to shoot if I can. And on their YouTube page, 442 subscribers, which, again, That is a beautiful number. Look, when I had 442 subscribers, I was ecstatic. So with that in mind, again, they've got time to grow, and look at them creating content. There's only one way to grow, and that's to put out the content and make it happen. So that's what I love to see about this project as well. That really gets me excited. Now, they have a really cool brand ambassador program. Basically allowing you to become a brand ambassador, use specific links. You can actually register to do so if you're interested. I might have a link as well in the description. Just I don't do those because I am pushing saying go get it. Again, I'm not saying, oh, just go get it and use my link. But at the same time, when I review stuff like this, sometimes depending on the company, I might decide to throw a link in there just if a couple of you happen to use it, if you do decide you want to use the service. But as I said, not financial advice. This is not me begging for that, because I like to review projects just to talk about the cool parts of the projects, not for my own benefit's sake. And honestly, the benefit I get is you guys watching. So that's, I know it sounds really dumb, but it is. It's all the benefit I need. Get more from your crypto. Blockchain technologies are broadening global access to an open, low-cost, and transparent financial network. Matrixport delivers a comprehensive suite of innovative and easy-to-use crypto investment products and financial services tailored for all levels of expertise. We empower people to take control of their personal finances, one satisfied customer at a time. We also forge strategic collaborations with an early-stage Web3 innovators, helping them build, grow, and scale. 0 billion, see, one of the world's most trusted crypto platform. In addition to a rich product, our best-in-class security and 24/7 global supports to ensure the assets are always safeguarded and managed in your best interest. Oh, there it is. I was gonna say they have these numbers are right. I don't know why the website just did that, so weird, but that's why I was looking so confused for a second. I was like, no, they have a good bit. Yes, they do have about, I mean, we'll just say about 300 employees. We'll round. Look at how much they've done in trading though. 5 billion, 700 million outstanding loans, 10 billion assets. Leadership team, so you can actually look at the team who is completely doxed. If you were interested in learning more about them on this project, you click through to their LinkedIns, their Twitters, whichever they give you. And, excuse me, backed by some pretty big investors as well. Some of these companies are companies that I've actually run across time and time again. And that is just really cool. So again, this is kind of, if you want to become a brand ambassador, if you're the kind of person who's interested in that, or, you know, any of my crypto friends who might have other channels and watch this kind of thing that really like to be ambassadors, check it out and do it. I think that's really cool. You know, I think it's fully legitimate in my opinion to do if that's what you like to do. And how can we help you get started? Account security, product intro, FAQ, and announcements. So we can sort of see I've been clicking through everything here at the top, basically. Now here is our little FAQ section. So that'll be I believe under support, and then we're going to go through resources where you can learn, news, and blogs. So this is learning, so you can actually learn to earn, basically, you know, as we always talk about. So crypto basics, tips, and tutorial. So you can actually subscribe to their newsletter as well if you're interested in that. Then here we've got our news section. So basically just putting out popular articles based on this. Bitman co-founder turns his second crypto venture into unicorn, which is actually really cool. And just really cool stuff going on here related to this project in the world of cryptocurrency. This guy seems to be doing real well. Good for him, man. And this is our blog, so if you're interested in checking this part out as well, they do have a blog explaining to you how the project works, what the services are, everything in that regard. Security first, that is right. So we're at the security tab right here. So their end-to-end security design, globally distributed infrastructure, and business-focused security innovative capabilities ensure the security and reliability of users' assets. And we can see here, yes, it's secured, and basically always offline, global deployment, high standards. So again, they are doing everything in their power to make sure that you are safe and that this is a completely safe infrastructure for you to invest in. The institutions, they currently serve 300 plus institutions through the global coverage. Clients range from largest miners, hedge funds, token managers, proprietary trading platform firms to assist managers, family offices, and HNWIs from both crypto spaces and the traditional financial world. We help our clients access and safeguard their crypto assets. We provide crypto loans, hedging solutions, structuring products, and various yield products. I love that they're so smart to do that. So they've got margin lending, OTC services, institutional custody, lending. So again, just these lending, fixed income, they're basically playing with money in the way a bank does, in a very intelligent way, might I add. So if you're interested, excuse me. So if you're interested in this as well, you can actually sign up through here. Again, get your code if you're interested in doing that sort of thing. And it is very quick and easy for this service. Pardon me, that is just the same page. And, basically, they've got the welcome offer, as we mentioned, so they do have quite a couple of offers. I highly recommend going through all these pages, watching all the videos that they have to show you and everything that they can. But we're going to have to wrap it up here because we're going to get too long. My friends, this is Matrixport, a really cool exchange. Place for a lot of businesses, whether they might want a loan, investing, that kind of thing. Absolutely recommend. Just come give it a look at the very least. But as always, thank you for coming by Crypto Coins, my friends. My name is Freddie Colton. I will see you in the next episode.